Okay, so here is the CRKT M16-01KS, which I got for $19.84 at Walmart. This is Carson flipper, stainless steel handles, frame lock safety. I vaguely remember owning this knife like a long time ago in my adult life, but it had serrations, and I think that was one of the reasons why I ended up not keeping it. And then I hadn't really bought it since then because of the holes in the frame, but I did see this one with plain edge, so thought I'd give it another shot. Very slim, centered. Either it's not broken in or it's one of those that just doesn't flip. Oh, you know, I say that and then it flips. I literally was trying to get it to flip. So I like that spear point. There you go. Frame lock. I mean, it's halfway on the frame, not all the way over on the tang of the blade. Are those copper washers? Anyway, but it's not going to close on me. I do like these thumb studs. Not a big fan of the clip. Tip down. See if I can get that again. Maybe I just wasn't doing it right. I'm sure the more I play with it, the more it'll break in. Yeah, it just must have been how I hit it. Anyway, that was pretty funny. Well, there you go. Now it does it again. So, hand size. I probably would not use that as a finger choil. Probably will put a lanyard on it because I do draw cuts like that. No blade play. So there you go. For $19.84, I like it. If it had different material handles like FRN or Grivery type, I think it would be cool, but I am not a blade designer or knife designer, so I like this. So this would definitely be going in my, I like the profile there, will be definitely going in my EDC testing. And what is this? This is 8CR13 MOV steel, so okay, so there you go. The CRKT M16, I know, there you go. They have different versions. This is the 01KS.